Welcome to the CoPOS screenshots video. It can be useful to take a capture of a screen when there is a CoPOS issue or a store issue that you want to save or email to CoPOS staff or store staff. A screenshot can be taken from anywhere in CoPOS. This includes menus. We can capture a screen by pressing the Print Screen key, which is usually located at the upper right of most keyboards, to the right of the F12 key, and above the Insert key. When the Print Screen key is pressed, a list of options appears where to send it. We've decided it should be sent as an email to the store manager, so we select number 4, Email. A list of 5 possible email addresses appears. The first 3 are reserved for CoPOS staff. Numbers 4 and 5 are set up by the store. We'll select 4 to send an email of the screenshot to the store manager. Email sent to manager@example.com. Press enter and we're done. To set up email recipients 4 and 5, we'll go into option 10.8.9, specify additional email recipients. Let's say you want to change the second email recipient to your IT person. We'll enter through fields until email recipient 2. Name, IT person. Enter. IT@example.com. Enter. We'll arrow over to save. Additional screen capture recipients saved. Enter, and we're done. We'll enter back to the main menu. Thank you for watching the CoPOS screenshots video.